Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today I'm going to show you how to create your very own Discord server in just a few minutes. Whether you're starting a community for gaming, study groups, or just hanging out with friends, Discord is the perfect platform. Let's dive right in. Open Discord on your PC. Now, if you don't have an account, you will need to create one. It's quick and easy. You can just go ahead and create your account and log into your account. After that, you will be prompted to this screen over here. If you click on this plus icon over here, you'll be prompted to either create a server or join an existing one. Click on Create My Own to start from scratch, or you can choose a template if you want to be more specific. So you can choose any templates to start from. So you can go ahead and start your template, and then you can see that you can choose for your friends or for a club or a community. After you choose these, you can see that you will have to name your server. Go ahead and write down a server name, and after that you can see the plus icon over here. You can click on it and you can enter the profile photo of your server. Go ahead and click on Create. Next up, channels are where your members will chat, share media and more. By default, Discord creates a few channels for you, but you can customize these. You can see that you can create more channels from here. This is basically where people will engage and talk to each other. So you can see that you can join the server and do a voice or video call accordingly, and you can also share your screen in this group. Now you can also give the roles and permission, help you manage your community. For example, you might want moderators who have more responsibilities and permissions, and regular members who have fewer, so you can authorize them and you can give the permissions and their job roles. The other thing is inviting members. You can invite members as you can share your group link, so you can see the invite people option over here. You can invite your people from here. So if you want to rename or you want to edit with the server profile, you can do that as well. You can go to profile and change your server, so you can see this is your server over here. If you want to see the settings, you can see all of the settings. You can do this and you can change your server. So guys, this is how you can create a server for yourself on Discord. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us. Goodbye.